and welcome to the first of a series of lessons on the Ringwood Waldorf School YouTube channel. This is a series of lessons for those who want to play the Celtic Harp. My name's Wendy Morrow and I will take you in stages through the very basics of learning the Celtic Harp. Let's start right at the beginning. So I have a 34 string Celtic Harp, but it doesn't really matter. Some of you may have a 22 string or a 24 string. They should all basically be the same format. This one has levers, so hopefully yours has levers too. The levers are there in order to sharpen or neutralise the note that you're playing. So when I say sharpen, I mean it takes it slightly higher or it puts it back to the original note. If you look at your harp, you will see you have red strings and you have either black or blue strings, sometimes even purple. The red string in the middle of your harp, just here, is a C. And the black string, or the blue string on yours, is an F. If you find your middle C and move down 2 notes towards the bottom of the harp, you will find the note A. And it's just in alphabetical order. So, if I start from note A, can you play with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then you start again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So you need to get to know the notes on your harp before you start anything else. The levers at the top of your harp should be placed in an order. So if you find your C string and go to the very top, you should have a red lever there. Your C string wants to be down. Your D string wants to be down. Your E string wants to go up, so push the lever up. Black or purple or blue, F string down, G down, A goes up and B goes up. So altogether, if C is number 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now time for your very first lesson. These are your fingers. When you play the harp, you want your fingers to be pointing down towards the earth and your thumb to be pointing up towards the heavens. Take your right hand and bring your harp onto your right shoulder. If you find your C string with your pointy finger, which is your finger 2, and your thumb on your black, purple or blue string, which is pointing upwards, then we're going to play 3 notes in a row. Now when you play the harp, you need to hold on to the strings. You don't want to be falling off the harp at all. So each time I let go of one string, I need to be holding on with another. So first of all, I'm just going to play 3 C's in a row. So I'm holding on with my thumb, and I pull my pointy finger back into my palm as it's pointing down to the earth. Ready? So 3 C's. Can you do that? Good. Now take your thumb, and now your thumb wants to fall onto your pointy finger. It's going to push forwards, and you're holding onto your red string with your pointy finger as you do it. So 3 F's this time. Ready? Okay, your turn. Lovely. Now we're going to play them together. 3 C's followed by 3 F's, and make sure you're holding on to one string at all times. Ready? Red, red, hen. Red, red, hen. Blue, blue fish. Blue, blue fish. Well done. Now it's time for you to do it again, but this time with the music. Here is the music, and you can see that there are 6 red notes followed by 6 blue notes here. So as I point to them, can you play them on your harp? Ready? Red, red, hen. Red, red, hen. Blue, blue fish. Blue, blue fish. And again. red, red hen, red, red hen, blue, blue fish, blue, blue fish. Well done. If you can do that, then I'd like you to then play with both hands, your right and your left. Ready? And together. Red, red hen with your pointy fingers. Red, red hen. Now with your thumbs. Blue, blue fish. Blue, blue fish. Wonderful. Time for our second part of the lesson. Now we'd like to use more fingers. So if this is my hand, this is number 1, which is thumb. We only have one thumb. Number 2 is our pointy finger. Number 3 is the middle finger. Number 4 is our ring finger, and we never use baby finger on the harp because he or she is not strong enough. So I want you to take your ring finger, number 4, and find your red C in the middle of your harp again. Put number 4 finger on there, remember you're pointing down. Number 3 finger, number 2 finger, and then your thumb on the black or blue red pointing upwards. And now we're going to play one finger at a time, starting with 4. So we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1 in order. Are you ready? Together with me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Put your fingers back on the harp. This time we're going to make it more difficult. When we get to the F, we're going to put our 4th finger underneath the F onto the next G string. Okay, and then we're going to carry on up the harp with another 4, 3, 2, 1. So watch carefully first. So 1, 4, 3, 2, and then put your 4th finger underneath so that you've still got your thumb on the black or the blue string. Now play your thumb, but you're holding on with your 4th finger again on the next G string. Play your thumb, and then you should have 4, 3, 2, 1, moving further up the harp, and your thumb should be on the next red string up. So this time, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you've just played a C scale. Let's try that again from the beginning. Ready? 4 fingers on, and ready to cross in the middle. Let's go. C, D, E, cross under, F, 4 fingers on, G, A, B, C. And you'll see that as I go up the scale, I don't put my finger back on the string afterwards. I pull it into my palm and it stays there. So that I get a nice echoing sound as I go up the harp. Once you've done that, you can try it with your left hand. And then both together. Well done. Good luck with your harp playing, and I will see you again next week for lesson 2.